Hi, my name is Metier, Managing Director of HomeRenoGuru, and today we have something interesting to discuss that has mystified men for centuries. What do women want? And to answer the question, we have Joycelyn and Jaslyn Shu, both sister founder of a local interior design company, Metier Planner. Hello ladies.
Hi Maureen.
So ladies, tell us the challenges and the benefits of being female in the interior design industry in Singapore.
In today's market, homeowners are not making decisions solely based on the cost and also the speed. And increasingly, communication chemistry between homeowners and designers is becoming more and more important. In fact, many female homeowners find it easier to communicate with female designers.
So Jaslyn, how do you think a female designer has the edge over the male designer?
Without fail, lady homeowners always want lots and lots of storage. As a female designer, I always try to incorporate their lifestyle into our design.
We believe that we are better able to plan an area when we are also the end users. For example, a vanity cabinet with mirror, a customized dresser, a wardrobe compartment with a hidden dresser, or even a kitchen fitted out for a housewife.
So ladies, based on your experience, how do women renovation wish lists differ from men's?
Well, as you know, Maurice, today women are actually great multitaskers.
I totally agree, and in my life I have many wonder women.
Given that females are constantly juggling their time between work and personal lives, it's really helpful if they have their things stored in an orderly manner. Not only does this decrease the time required to go through their day-to-day routine, it helps to create a more convenient environment in which to work around their homes. Ultimately, this helps them generate more time to spend with their loved ones at home.
I know that some women, they are very clever. They pretend to let their husband calling the shots, but actually behind it, they're actually pulling the strings. So they are the one that's controlling the project.
In general, women have more say in the bedroom because we have more clothes.
Not to forget handbags and shoes as well, isn't it?
Not to disagree, but we also have more say in the kitchen because we tend to be the chef.
Totally agree. So Jaslyn, can you share with us some projects designed by women for women?
Due to space constraints, a compact makeshift dresser was designed for the lady homeowner. A busy career woman by day, she required a quick makeup session before work and a place to apply facial products before bedtime. We concealed a sliding tray in her wardrobe, which can be brought out to use as and when she prefers.
And remember, we have this 3-bedder apartment at Bedok South. There was a quick change of plan after the wife intervened and tweaked the original design. She expressed a vision of a chic and simple monochrome bathroom, where she could store her facial product instead of just toiletries. We can still recall picking up the tiles on the spot at Hafari. We listened, responded, and changed the color immediately.
So Joycelyn and Jaslyn, do you have any last words to share with the homeowners?
As women designers, we are very sympathetic towards women's requirements. But of course, we value everyone's inputs, women and men alike.
At Metier Planner, we are all for women designers, for women.
So all you homeowners out there, if you're planning a renovation, do check out Joycelyn and Jaslyn Sue from Metier Planner.